In this video, we'll be discussing reviewing Foxy AI. I have in here this site that reviews Foxy AI. As you can see, its actual review right now is around 2 only out of 5. So this user says that it has a lot of abs on this particular app, and it's actually not really good. So they also got an email from them saying payment didn't clear, but they actually cleared on his end but not on their end. So they told them to cancel by email, and as you can see, they asked them to Venmo, which is actually really sketchy. So if you're actually looking for other alternatives for Foxy AI, you can try others as well. So as you can see, this user as well also rates it around she. So it's asking for proof of identity of documents, which they did send, and a week later email comes through stating that the account is cancelled with no recourse. So as you can see right here, they won't be able to discuss why this is happening. So overall, although it's a good application, it has a very bad customer service. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.